Harmetes Hirsuta teaches us that strength does not